students. We'll be discussing safety measures when using chemicals. Remember, in our previous lesson, we discussed chemicals and their classification. But today we'll be discussing safety measures when using the chemicals. And these safety measures give simple information on how to use, dispose, transport, and also store chemicals. I repeat, the measures help in times of using the chemicals, disposing the chemicals, transporting the chemicals, or storing the chemicals. And it is very, very important. And all chemical containers must contain shock rules. And then the shock simply means safety handling of chemicals. So all chemical containers must have shock rules. And these shock rules must involve the following. The shock rules must involve the following. We have the identity of the product. Identity of the product, you must identify the substance by name. That is one of the most important things that the chemical must contain. And then another one is the composition of the chemicals. There must be identification of the composition of the chemicals or constituent that is being used in the production of the chemicals. And then the next one, chemical properties. The properties must be set down by the shock. The properties must be written down on the card sheet. And then the next one, you must identify how toxic is the chemical. How toxic or harmful is that chemical must be written too. And then how safety in terms of its hazardous nature it is when it becomes in contact with any surface. All these must be stated down on the sheet of the shock or a card which is known as a material safety data sheet. All the information I've stated must be written on the card. So that is very, very important. And then in the next video we'll be discussing the safety rules that has to do with chemicals.